This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or show the bookmarks bar in the Chromium web browser. I will be using Ubuntu for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Chromium web browser opened up now. If you look up top here, you see I have my bookmarks toolbar displayed up here. To hide or show it, it's very easy to do. There's more than one way to do it. The way that I'm going to show you, you go up to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-dot hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Appearance. Appearance. And then on the center pane, right in here, Show Bookmarks Bar. As you can see, mine is enabled. If I toggle that off, my bookmarks toolbar disappears. And if I toggle it back on, it reappears. That is how to hide or show the bookmarks toolbar in the Chromium web browser. Thanks for watching.